out of those steps over here?
Yeah.
Check out YouTube video over here.
Yeah, that's what I'm doing.
I gotta try it.
You know, when something just seems like a bad idea, when something just seems like a bad idea, we're doing it. I like him to look at it. That was the same down there.
Mm-hmm.